So here we have it, guys, the FND A510s. So Nitin, what's your first impression about these?
My first impression, I will say, if you are looking for multimedia speakers which are not only budget friendly but also gives you true live sound, then I will recommend you this product. Speakers which are very powerful and give you an amazing sound experience. These multimedia speakers are loaded with features like heavy bass and best in class acoustics.
So Nitin, tell us more about the design of this product.
Design. Okay, so let's first talk about the satellite speakers here. Kunal, can you show the satellite speaker to our audience?
Yeah, sure.
These satellite speakers are very small and have a very uncanny look. Whenever someone visit my home and look at to my system, the first question they ask is about these satellite speakers. These are the real attention grabbers, guys. So Kunal, can you take this satellite speaker off for a second?
Yeah, sure.
I will show the subwoofer to my audience. Now, this subwoofer has a wooden body, a front metal grill, and a premium looking plastic here.
Plastic? I thought it was metal.
No, Kunal, it's really plastic, guy. So now let me show you the side control panel. Sorry. So here we have a side control panel.
I'm not fan of the side control panel, and really, I think they should have put the volume knob on the satellite speaker. Don't you think, Nitin?
Yeah, really, Kunal, I agree with you on some points here. First of all, this volume knob here, it should have been put on the satellite speaker. It's easy to access from it there. But talking about the placement of this control panel, it's based upon the user. Okay, it varies according to the user. It could have been placed on the back side also, but it would really have been inconvenient to access it from here. But on the downside, when this control panel is placed on left, it becomes a little messy when all the wire get attached here and this. It's get messy here. Okay, so so it's better.
So now, Nitin, let's talk about some technical stuff. Like, I have a question. What is this 5200 watt PMPO really means?
PMPO. PMPO is nothing but a marketing ploy. PMPO stands for Peak Music Power Output. The PMPO of a speaker is actually based on the maximum power output in a very small period of time. Okay.
Yeah.
So now let me show you the control panel once again. Yeah, here it is. So FND has installed some primitive AV ports here instead of using some updated technology. This is the AV cable Kunal is showing you currently. It's easy to use. We have audio and bass knobs here, and there is no USB port, there is no micro card support, there is no remote control. There is a detailed specifications given here. If you want to have, you can read it from here, and a power on off switch button here. You can have a look at here. So that's it for the technical specifications of control panel. So now let's discuss about the audio quality of these speakers. These speakers provide some crisp sound and heavy bass. This music you're currently listening is coming from these speakers only. The satellite speakers produce appropriate amount of treble, and these subwoofer produce the ample amount of heavy thumps and bass that we require. So you can enjoy the music now and have a look at these speakers completely once more.